Today we are going to be reading a Hershey Bar book, and we're going to be talking about fractions and equivalent fractions. Who can tell me what an equivalent fraction is? Damari?
To add.
To add.
Or to equal.
Not to add. Help him out, Kenny. Equal. Equal. Okay, not to add, but when two fractions are equal to one another, okay? Now, in the book, we're going to talk more about it, Zamari, so maybe you'll have a better understanding when we get through, okay? Now, we are going to read a book called The Hershey's Milk Chocolate Fraction Book, and it's written by Jerry Pilato. Milk chocolate. Ooh, delicious. Here is a Hershey's milk chocolate, the kind Milton Hershey made famous. Before we eat it, we are going to learn about fractions. Let's start by taking the wrapper off. Remember not to litter. Okay, so I want everyone to take their wrapper off their candy bar. Okay? Here we have one whole milk chocolate candy bar. And what is a fraction? A fraction is a part or a portion of a whole thing. We are using a Hershey's milk chocolate bar as our whole thing. Okay, so this is going to represent one whole, our whole candy bar, okay? Alright. If you break this candy bar apart, you will see 12 equal sections. Alright, so I want you to break your candy bar apart into 12 equal sections. It's already divided, I just want you to break it apart, okay? You can stack the 12 equal sections on top of one another. Hey, it looks different, but any way you rearrange them, they still equal one whole candy bar. So even though you have 12 pieces on the plate, if you stack them on top of one another, it looks different than your original candy bar, but it's different. Okay? I mean, but it's the same thing, but it just looks different. Okay?
Like this?
Okay, now you want to stack it on top of one another. One piece on top of the other. Very good. Very good. Alright, maybe this is the easiest way to understand fractions. What would you rather eat? 1/12 of that candy bar, which would be one piece of that candy bar, or would you rather eat 11/12 of the candy bar? If you love milk chocolate, the answer is simple. As you can see, doing fractions is fun. So now I want you to stack your candy bar back like you had it in the beginning, flat, back flat, and I want you to divide it up. On one side of your plate, I want you to have 1/12 or one piece, and on the other side of your plate, I want you to have 11/12.
Okay.
Alright, and then I want you to tell me which one you would rather eat. Would you rather eat one piece or 11 pieces?
11 pieces. One piece.
You would rather eat one piece than 11?
Yeah.
You must not like chocolate.
Oh, I do.
I do.
But I just want to eat one piece.
I just want to eat.
Oh, you want to save some.
I
Okay.
would eat 11.
You would eat 11. Okay, why would you eat 11, Haley? They're good, but 11 is 11 more than one or less than one?
More than?
Very good. You would be eating more. All right. Good job.
You can eat one.
Not yet. Wait till the end. Here is 1/2 of a Hershey's milk chocolate bar. And here is the other half. 6/12 is equal to 1/2. When two fractions equal each other, they are called equivalent fractions. So now on your plate, I want you to take your Hershey bar and I want you to half it up. I want you to half up the pieces. You have 12 pieces. How many pieces would be half of that?
4, like 6.
6. Very good. 6 pieces. So I want you to put 6 pieces on one side and 6 pieces on the other.
I did it.
Very good. Now, what the book is saying is, you can either call this 1/2 of your candy bar, or you could say 6/12, because there are 6 pieces out of the 12. Now, are 1/2 and 6/12 equivalent? Are they equivalent?
Yeah.
They are equivalent because in both parts there are how many pieces of the candy bar? How many pieces are in these?
Six.
Six. Good job, Zamari. Either way, in 6/12 there are 6 pieces, and in 1/2 there are 6 pieces. Very good. All right. Here is 1/3 of a whole Hershey's milk chocolate bar. How did we get to the fraction of 1/3? Think of it like this. Our candy bar can be divided into 3 equal groups. Each of the 3 groups has 4 sections. So I want you to put your candy bar back in order like you had it when you took it out of the wrapper. Okay? Put your candy bar back in order like you had it when you took it out of the wrapper. Okay? Look, like our Kayla's is a good example. Okay? Now I want you to divide it up into 3 equal sections. 3 equal sections. Very good, Haley. Good job. Now, each one of your sections has how many pieces of chocolate in it?
4.
4. Very good. So you have 3 equal sections with 4 pieces of candy. Very good. All right, what is left over is 2/3. 1/3 plus 2/3 equals 3/3. When the top number and the bottom number are the same, the fraction is equal to what? In 3/3, 3/3, what is that equal to? 1 what?
Whole.
1 whole. Good job. Okay. Here is another way of saying 1/3. 4/12 is equal to 1/3. So you can either say 4/12 or you can say 1/3. Okay, either one is fine. Very good. That's a good observation, Haley. All right, and what is left over? 8/12. 8/12 is equal to 2/3. 4/12 plus 8/12 equals 12/12, which is equal to what?
1 whole.
1 whole candy bar. Very good. Good observation. That's right, Haley. All right, here is 1/4 of a Hershey's milk chocolate bar. If you want to call this fraction 1/4, that is okay too. So now I want you to divide your candy bar into 4 equal sections. 4 equal sections. Hold on. Here is what is left over. 3/4, or you could call it 3/4. Now, how many pieces are in your 1/3 section of that candy bar?
3. 4.
4. There are 4 pieces in each, oh, we're doing 1/4. There are, how many pieces in 1/4? I'm sorry.
3.
3. There are 3 pieces in this 1/4, okay?